The chicken shawarma recipe is going to be one of your favorite. Just a handful of everyday spices makes an incredible chicken shawarma marinade that infuse the chicken with exotic flavors. We are going to bake the chicken in the oven and tucked into a warm pita, then it's topped with crisp vegetables and garlic sauce. The smell when this is cooking is insane.
Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make easy, healthy, oven-baked chicken shawarma. It's super delicious. Let's get started.
Shawarma chicken is called for a mix of chicken breast and chicken thighs. At home I only have chicken breast, so I won't really bother to just go grocery for chicken thighs. Slice the chicken breast in 3 or 4 layers. In a large mixing bowl, combine thick yogurt, 1 teaspoon black pepper, salt to taste, 1 tablespoon of 7 spices, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, onion powder, pinch of cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon fresh garlic, olive oil. Here I use 4 tablespoons avocado oil and fresh lemon juice. Then add the chicken breast, mix for a few minutes. Cover with plastic wrap and marinate for about 4 hours or overnight. Now we're going to build our chicken tower. It is traditionally prepared on a vertically rotating pit with spiced meat stacked on it. The meat can rotate for hours, slowly gathering juices and flavor. It is then thinly shaved and served on its own or stuffed inside a warm flatbread or pita, along with garlic sauce, tomatoes, onions, turnips, pickled peppers, and some crispy fries. Yum! Place 4 metal squares beside each other. Slice 1 large onion into 2. Start making your base to secure and stand on its own. Now roll down each marinade chicken breast and then slide it evenly onto skewers. Top it up with the onion for the best flavor. Wrap the chicken with the parchment paper, then with the foil. Bake at 425 Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes, and then broil for another 5 minutes to achieve a nice and crisp outer layer. Now it's time to make garlic sauce. Gradually mix together the ingredients such as garlic, salt, lemon, ice water, canola oil, and then add mayo for richness. Garlic sauce may be refrigerated in an airtight container for up to 1 month. Go ahead and use a sharp knife, slice off your desired amount of meat. And place it into a warm pita. Top the chicken shawarma with your favorite toppings. I like to use turnips, pickled peppers, fries, aroma tomatoes, and of course garlic sauce. These wraps are a flavor bomb and it'll beat any chicken shawarma takeout. They're perfect for lunch or dinner. You can even wrap them up in a foil and take them to work, and they'll be just delicious. This easy, healthy chicken shawarma is incredibly tender and tasty. It's a hit every time we serve this flavorful dish.
This was so fun to make, especially with the chicken tower, because I never tried that before and it was so fun, so unique to make that recipe. I hope you get a chance to try this recipe because it's super delicious, especially when we wrap it like this. It's better to have a grill and just toast it there for a minute or two. You're gonna love it. You're gonna enjoy that bite so much that you're gonna thank me later in the comments down below. So if you do like this recipe, please consider subscribing or liking the video. It's gonna help me out, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Hi everyone, and okay, we're gonna start again. Okay,